TheFluxTrain AI is one of the best just released AI software tools to hit the market, and in this video, I'm going to share 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. Whether you're a digital marketer, business owner, or just someone curious about the latest tech, this software could be a game changer for you, so stick around to find out why. First things first, TheFluxTrain AI promises to completely revolutionize the way businesses use artificial intelligence for streamlining processes, automating tasks, and improving efficiency. But before you dive in, it's important to understand what makes it stand out in a sea of AI tools. You can try the TheFluxTrain AI for free from the first link in the description below, but let's break it down so you can decide if it's right for you. One of the standout features of the TheFluxTrain AI is its adaptability. Unlike other AI tools that focus on one niche, the TheFluxTrain AI is versatile across industries, whether it's content creation, customer support, or data analysis. This makes it an attractive option for those looking for a comprehensive solution that can evolve with their needs. Secondly, its user interface is sleek and beginner-friendly. A lot of AI platforms can be intimidating, but the TheFluxTrain AI is designed for people who might not have a technical background. Everything from setup to execution is simple and intuitive, making it accessible to small businesses, marketers, and even individual entrepreneurs. When it comes to automation, the TheFluxTrain AI truly shines. It allows you to automate repetitive tasks like email outreach, social media posting, and even customer queries. This frees up time so you can focus on strategy and creativity, two things that matter most for scaling a business. In fact, many users report increased productivity right off the bat, which is a major win. Another key benefit of this AI is its built-in analytics. The TheFluxTrain AI doesn't just automate tasks, it also tracks performance and provides insights into how your campaigns and strategies are performing. This allows for real-time optimization, which means you don't have to wait weeks to see if your strategy is working. With this feature, you can adjust your approach instantly and get better results faster. If you're someone who values customization, you'll love the TheFluxTrain AI's ability to tailor responses and actions based on your specific needs. It uses advanced machine learning algorithms to adapt to the way your business operates, ensuring that it delivers the best results possible. This personalized touch is what makes it stand out from more generic AI platforms. But as with any new software, it's not perfect. While it has a lot of potential, the TheFluxTrain AI is still evolving, and there may be a learning curve for users who are accustomed to traditional methods. It's important to give yourself time to explore its features and fully understand how it fits into your workflow. Lastly, the TheFluxTrain AI offers strong integration capabilities, meaning you can connect it to other popular platforms like Google Analytics, Shopify, and more. This creates a seamless experience across all your tools, making it easier to manage your operations from one place. Now, if you're wondering if it's worth the investment, I can confidently say that for those who are looking for a robust, easy-to-use, and versatile AI tool, the TheFluxTrain AI is definitely worth trying out, especially since you can start for free with the link below. After testing thousands of AI tools, I've found that the TheFluxTrain AI holds its own against many big-name competitors. For anyone looking to level up their business or marketing efforts, it's a software worth keeping an eye on. If you're interested in more recommendations for AI software, make sure to check out the description where I list my top picks for free trials after testing countless tools like the TheFluxTrain AI. You'll find the best options for your needs.